Hey guys, welcome back to Taniya's Art Crate. So in this video I'll show you how to convert old jeans into these designs now you're seeing. You know, many of us having those old style jeans, flare jeans, bootcut jeans and something. So all of those are out of fashion and we cannot wear them anymore. So that's why I'm showing you the collection how to convert a jeans into some beautiful designer clothes. So please watch this video till the end. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe for more useful designs and more useful ideas by seeing my videos. I think you're enjoying this video. For more enjoying videos, you can check out my channel, link will be in the description box. So these are my favorite designs and I hope this collection is also your favorite too. You can save different designer suit with the jeans like mini skirts, shorts, long skirts, ruffle skirts, frocks and denim jackets. Which one do you like the most? Comment down below. Try this collection at once, you definitely like it. In my channel, I had collected different designer collections like sleeve designs, crop top designs, mehendi designs, stylish tops designs, skirt designs, handbag designs, footwear designs, and bridal suit designs. For giving such support and so much love to our videos. You can form present trendy ideas by seeing my videos. If If you want to present trendy ideas,
guys,
please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all our upcoming videos
and don't forget to subscribe
notifications.
my channel
And
press
don't
the bell
forget
icon
to
to get
like,
all my
share,
notifications.
comment.
Thanks for watching.
watching.